I mean, go to YouTube. Listen. Not the YouTube. All right. Oops. See, by now, we don't see trade. Where I come see this thing? I don't forget where I put this. Oh, banner. Okay. Let me check. Okay. So, welcome everyone. Let's get this started. The first day of trading with Dam. So yeah, we have gold. We are at all-time highs. So let's see what we have today with this 4 hour. Let's go to the daily. Okay, daily is from a new high from last week Friday. Right, the whole of last week was bullish movement. So daily from this new high. So if you are going to push up, there's still probability we push up from, we already broke 2030. We can go to 2040, 2050. So because when you're at all-time highs, you go to psychological numbers, quarter points. So let's go to 4 hours and see what we have. We are creating a support, a resistance. We already created a support from the bullish move up, so we can mark that up, right? So we have, if we can break this to the downside, we can come down and fill this week and potentially come down to this support right here. So we also have this uh, resistance creating. We don't know if that will hold, but let's just anticipate it holds. So we have 1 hour, the same thing, support here, but you can see that it actually broke a resistance here, right, to the upside, which might come to retest and then push up. But you can see small body, big body, LD body, the smaller body. This one is breaking the low. So we don't know if this is going to hold or if it's going to push back up. So because if you look at it, we also still have a range from here to here, 95 pips range. So it's something we need to look at. We also still get this. So let's go to 30 minutes and see if we can get more information. So right here on 30 minutes, we already have a resistance formed. Now, resistance formed, we have this support right here. We have this support here formed, right? That's a big, and it's breaking resistance right now. Yeah, let me make this cleaner. This, that's the resistance. So guys, just follow through with me. I'm just going to be thinking out loud what is going through my mind while I'm going to be taking trades. So nothing too serious. You guys can just chat away, just chill. Nothing. You know, that's just the strategy. When this breaks down, but you know we are in an uptrend, so we need to be careful of taking sales, yeah? But if this breaks down, I want to see if price, how the candle forms. I want to see how the candle is going to break, right? If it breaks down healthy, then we have clean range to the downside, but we need um to beware of this guy here. If not, if price breaks above, then we are good to go upside. So let's just wait. We just wait. Oh, excuse me. Hmm? Wow. See what is going on here. See how the candle rejected. Let's see how 15 minutes formed. So 15 minutes kind of closed below. Yeah. Okay. So probably if this 30 minutes candle can break its own low, that would be a good impulse entry, right? You can see 15 minutes kind of closed at the support. So we just have to wait. We just have to wait. We just have to wait. Let's see what's going on. By the way, guys, share to your friends, share to your people that you trade together, and then just trade with me. It's basically price action. We see what the candle do, and then we take action. So I think we should play. I think we should like play music. Uh, okay, I'll do that tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm going to set up my sound card. But today it's still like testing. It's my first day, right? I know the sound is not really making sense. I know the sound is not really making sense, but let's see how it goes. So we gotta wait. By the way, guys, I'm also taking there's this 4 hour strategy that I take. Um, just to build consistency and build discipline. If you know you are struggling with discipline, it's something you can an exercise you can take is just a break when just wait for the 4 hour candle to form. That's the 2 a.m. candle. That's the I think that's 6. No, no, 2 a.m. candle. That would be 10, 11, 12, 1, 2. Okay, that would be 11 p.m. Eastern candle. Once the 11 p.m. Eastern candle, that's 2 a.m. Nigerian time candle forms, then what you have to do is, if it's bullish, wait for the eye to be broken, set this buy stop to the eye, something like this. Buy stop to the eye, stop loss goes below the candle to the low, and then you target 1 to 1 direct. So it works 65% of the time, 70%. Sometimes, some months we've seen 80% of the time, but it's not something you can sit with forever, but it's something you can use to build your discipline. If it's so that's I'm actually taking that on my main account because I'm trying to build something. So I'm going to be trading with you guys on this particular account that you see right here. So let's see what we can do with that. Um, so yeah, let me go back to 1 hour. We are still waiting. Don't forget, guys, share the live. Did you like it? Share the live, like it. Let's full audience. We're just getting started, so we need to. And I'm doing this for a reason. So you guys need to build with me. We are just getting started. Let's see what we can get. All right, the candle is 15 minutes rejecting that area. I think it's going to be a good idea if we break this low, but then we are in an uptrend, so we impulse entry during an uptrend is kind of to the downside. It's kind of forbidden, right? So let's just wait for the candle to close. There's nothing we can do at this moment. We have to wait. We have to wait. We have to wait, guys. All right, all right. I think I'll be coming on around maybe like 7, because most of the time you don't get trade right away when you come to the market like that. But then let's see. Because 15 minutes already turning a doji. Ah, are you sure we don't want to take this trade? If 30 minutes close below, if 30 minutes close below here, hmm, I don't know. Yeah, if 30 minutes closes below this support, I think we should be good. The only problem we have is this area that might get rejected. It might just be like we are just forming a retest to go back up. But then I think we should see some bearish move, even if we are going to continue the bullish move, right? What do you think? Just waiting break and then so if this closes as an LD, because you can see this guy close from a resistance. This tested the high, rejected, formed a smaller body. If this close bearish below here, I'm going to take a sell and then reach for around this area for my TP1 to take maybe some of the profit, and then this area to take full profits. I think that should be a good idea. We have good range to the downside, right? That's 70 pips to the downside, 90 pips. That would be a pretty good idea. I like seeing price consolidate more before a break. But then I still think it's going to be a good idea. And then we are going to be managing risk. So that is the whole essence of this. We are on a managing risk journey, right? So when this close, we have to know that okay, let's say we enter a buy here around here, a sell around here. If price goes back to break the high of the 15 minutes candle, we'll cut 50% of our position. Then, because we are trying to lose less, then if it comes down and break, then we know that we lose less. Or if 30 minutes candle form bearish, form bullish, we are closing up. So you understand that's well. I don't think we are going to break. I think we are still going to consolidate a little bit, break the high. Today is bullish. That's just going to be his cap. So today is more bullish. We look for buys. Most of the time, what will happen is it will come down here, create a support around this area, create a support, and then we can buy. Or price can move above here, and then depending on how it closes, we can buy. But then there's nothing that says we can't still get a sell here. We have a pretty good range. And then, by the way, guys, this area is a no trade area for me. The no trade area for me. So we don't look to trade in between the range because we need to avoid fake outs. If you see, this is kind of looking like it's going to be like a fake out if this 15 minutes candle closes bullish back inside the range. Because if we are going to go down, now this must close bearish, right? Yes. And then at the break of the low, we can look to take sell. Sure. But if not, I think we are still looking bullish. Oh, wait. Yeah. We wait. So we have just 2 minutes, 40 seconds for the 30 minutes candle to close. We have just 2 minutes, 40 seconds for the 30 minutes candle to close. And then that will signal us if we're going to have something to do or not. Less than 2 minutes to go, guys. Let's see. I think I like the red background. Damn red. Okay, guys, so let's see how that looks. Good. And I trade with my brother. You can see my brother right here. We let's fucking go! Less than a minute. For 30 minutes, candles will close. Nothing is happening. We're just consolidating. We are just consolidating. Okay. And I'm going to be doing simulation. I'm going to be doing simulation session. Maybe weekends. I'm still thinking because I'm just getting this started. So I need to see how many crowd we can pull. If we can pull crowd, I'm not advertising yet. This is my first week. I want to see what I do in 1 week. And then after 1 week, I will start pushing. Wow. Wow. Breaking the low. All right. Nothing happened. Nothing happens. So after 1 week, I'm going to see what happens and try to start pushing it to Instagram, my WhatsApp, at least get like 100 viewers from my WhatsApp. I know I have more than 100 views, but I get 100 viewers from there, get some from Instagram. Try TikTok, Twitter, and then like that, we'll be on social media. So nothing too serious. For now, we just want to build consistency with trading with people. We want to build that confidence, and then we should be fine. So what's happening here? Is there anything to do? There's absolutely nothing to do. Trust me, it's looking like this wants to drop. But we are not doing that. We are going to follow our step up. You see what happens? Let's say you're on 30 minutes. What happens when price comes to break below in first 1 minute, 30 seconds, first 2 minutes? Don't trust it. Because what happens is price just comes. But this that is not creating any wick to the top is might be a good bullish bearish sign. But then what happens when price breaks in the first 1 minute, 2 minutes? Price just comes and then goes back to create higher wick, and then it might stop people out, even if it's going to go down. But don't trust it when you see price break a low in the first minute of opening a candle. It's a red flag. I'm not saying this is going to reject because we don't know what the market is gonna do at the moment. Trade with Dam. That is what I call it. Makes sense, yeah. Trade with damn fucking go. Trade with damn fucking Steph. And very soon I'm going to get more screens so I can monitor what happening on YouTube and see people's chats. But for now, let me see. I'm not buying on YouTube, so there's no video. Oh, excuse me. No need to check. Oh, and I have a Slack community with my brothers where we send our setups. Mm. This one don't go the post me. See what I was talking about? Right there, that's the reason why you should not take um a sell or a trade when candle is breaking. Don't take an impulse entry when a candle is breaking the low or high in the first 1 to 2 minutes. You understand? Because what happens, it has to create that upper wick. Yeah. Doesn't mean it's going to continue up. Doesn't mean it's still going to go down. Because this, like this, if it comes back, breaks its own low, has a higher probability of going down. But then we can't say yes. So we have to wait. Everything that is doing right now doesn't really concern us. This looks like it's going to buy it. Doesn't really concern us. We have to wait. So that's it, guys. Let's see what we get today. What we get today. So that's it, guys. Let's see. So I know the audio is not very looking, it's not looking, it's not sounding good. I'm going to use a sound card starting from tomorrow. Oh, let me just say starting from next week. I'm going to set up everything properly. This week is just for testing, kind of. I'm just using my speaker. I'm going to delete all this live stream, but let's see if we get good through it. I would love to see a buy though, because I'm already, I there's a sell buy stop here on my, let me show you guys on my, where is it? how do I go there? Okay, I don't know how to go here again. Ah, how do I select? Oh man. Okay, maybe I need to stop sharing. Then share this guy, this which setup. Okay, let's go to my where's trade locker. Trade locker, where are thou? So we got trade locker. So let me share my trade locker. So we are going to take in this trade, which is very awesome because it is either TP or stop loss. It's the definition of you just have to trust the process. Yeah. So that's it. You see, I have the pending order right here. Stop loss is a 4 hour, the 4 hour strategy I was telling you guys about. So the target 1 to 1. It's my DT Profem account. It's funded 35,000. I'm already in profits of about 2%. So risking 2%, $500 to make 500 per trade. I know that in 10 trades, I'm going to win at least 7 and lose like 4 or something like that. So let's see how we are doing. Wow. Like I did this setup during um Asian section around 12 midnight Nigerian time. So I was thinking I should take this trade. I was thinking, but then I was like, nah, we only want to trade London. We only want to take London. We saw this move right here. This move, rejecting from this area, came down. There was a fake out, right? We saw this move. It would have been a good buy, a good, perfect buy. Trust me. Because we know this fake out very well. It closed very easy to spot. This fake out was very easy to spot. The market closed without wick on 30 minutes time frame, without wick to the downside. The next candle goes back inside the range, forming bullish candle, rejecting a broken resistance. That's like a retest, right? And then we are in a bullish trend. There is no hesitation. Take this buy, something like this, and you, I wouldn't have needed to trade London. But yeah, you have to be disciplined with your time. Good moves, give some pretty good moves during Asia. So I'm starting to study it. If if it proves consistent, for now, I'm not going to be taking it. But if it proves consistent, I will maybe create an account I trade for Asia section, you know. But let's see. So that's it. I just came to show you guys this. Let me go back to trading view. This is hanging already. So let me stop sharing. Then we present and we share to we share only trading video. This is trade local, WhatsApp, trade your way to financial freedom. That's one book I'm reading right now. See my brother with the black eyes. Eh? They play. Ah, in 15 minutes. That's 15 minutes. It's a good buy though, but because there's no range, that's why we are not going to think that kind of buy. I think this like is a long way home to take this buy. Very demure. Very perfect. And we have guiding. If I open my shell, you see I am a chosen. I am a chosen. God, who are you? You will just stop loss, Abby. We manage risk. We manage risk. What? 15 minutes closed. Yes, sir. I think we activated my buy stop. Ah, what? Not yet. Not yet. Uh-uh. That should already activate now. No, something fishy going on. Going on. Let me see. I took it here too. I took it on. Okay, reactivated. Are you whining me? So on my 3K account, you guys can see. Oh, wait a minute. We have to, there's a consistency rule. We have to cut. Let me see what trick I can do. Okay, it's already activated. It's already activated. It's active. It's active. But that is not going to determine whatever we are going to do. That's a different strategy. So let's move this a little bit downward. Yeah. Yeah. 30 minutes looking good. Yeah. I'm just looking at the 15 minutes because it's a little bit lower. So let's just leave it. Okay, push it. I'm on buy with a different strategy, 4-hour strategy. Which might lose. Let's hide this. This might just be coming to sweep the eye to go lower. But we don't care. We just wait for price action. That other strategy is mechanical. do it, set it, forget it. Okay. But I'm looking to manage something here because this particular account has a consistency rule. So, and the stop loss is 150 pips. So the the lot size I use is bigger than normal risk management, which means I have to cut like almost half. Because on this app I'm using $50, like 1.75% or thereabout. I think I should cut it now. I trust me, after this month on this account, I'm stopping 4 hours strategy. It's just to build something. Um, but I'm going to, if I start teaching eventually, I will incorporate that with my students to instill discipline. Because you see this boy right here, that is one of the things that helped him develop discipline. So it's a really good strategy to learn. Very simple, demure, straightforward. The strategy is chosen, you know. They say money no fit buy love. They say money no fit buy. So if this closes outside, what are we going to do? We have long candle. You see, my brother is already knowing the gist. Not too long. Just 36 pips. 39. Yeah. We can buy. Depending, sha. We don't know where it's going to close. So let's go. We have 8 minutes for the candle to close. And don't forget we are managing risk. If we are going to take a buy with this candle, let's say it closes outside and we take a buy, meaning when the candle comes to break the low of this particular candle, we cut half, right? Something like that. Okay. I won't like that to be a liquidity sweep, though. For the candle to go down. Let's see. We shall see. We shall see. You have like 5 minutes for the country to close. This is what? No, nothing difficult about it. Just keep moving up and down. Doesn't know what you need to do yet. No, it's a game of patience. You have to wait. Let's see what 30 minutes is doing. Wow. Hmm. Okay. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. And we shall see. Maybe we still have to wait another 30 minutes or we shall execute. But it's looking like we might be getting a sell signal. See that rejection right there? Crazy. Yeah, like 3 minutes to go. You see, you can't say what the market is going to do. You can visualize what we will do. If it does this, you can visualize what it will do after. But you can't try to guess. You see, let's say I'm trying to guess, it's rejecting, let me take a sell, blah, blah, blah. You see, it's already going back up a little bit. I'm not sure it will continue. We have to just wait, trade what the market is showing us, not what we think. You understand? And that is what consistently profitable traders do on a daily basis. And they follow their strategy, and that is what we're going to be doing here. We're going to try to build consistent profitability with discipline. Excuse me. Leko, remove that link from your status for now. No, the audio is not presentable. I know. I'm just doing it for the first week. I just want to, when the time comes to share, we will do that. Hmm? When is the people do what? Come with. No, I know they check. 20 seconds. Wow. See what that is doing. Very confused human being. 10 seconds. It's trying to push up. But it's closing below, so there's nothing to do. Yeah, it's still nothing. Let's see how 15 minutes goes. We don't really care about 15 minutes here. Yeah. Yeah, I know, right? It's looking like you might want to create some kind of pullback. But I think gold is going to 2650. Might not be today. Might be today. If it's today, then I will see my 4 hour. I will see it hit TP. But if it's not today, yeah, we go with that. We chop our L. So should we mark up GJ? Just marking up for marking up sake for people uh that trades GJ. You know, I'm not going to be trading it. I'm just going to be marking it up for people. Probably GU, but not today. Only GJ. Only GJ. GJ used to be my favorite pair. Oh, what the heck? How does this work again? GPP. Oh, create a new chat. What's happening by it? Nothing. Why is it taking time to load? What's going on? 7 o'clock. That's 2 o'clock Eastern. What the heck? Why is everybody on my chat? Let's show you guys. Yeah. So GBP, JPY, let's come to the 4 hour time frame. Very bullish. Okay, if we are creating a resistance here, okay, go to this area. So let's go to the 1 hour. Do you have anything? think we have this here. Two? What the heck? It's two Japa chances. You know, DJ is a lot of week. A lot of week. So, but if you trade DJ, okay, I'm going to put this right here. We are in uptrend. From 30 minutes, we have this resistance. Just gotta wait for it to break the high, or no, I'm not sure about this guy. Yeah, something like this. But you have to be careful of the sales, the confirmations. There's not really enough range there. So we are still waiting. Don't forget we are at all-time highs and price is consolidating. When you're on uptrend and price is consolidating, means when the range gets broken, you can either take the buy or the sell. If it gets broken to the upside, you can take the buy. If it gets broken to the downside, you can take the sell. The longer it consolidates, the larger the breakout is going to be, the massive is going to be. So that's why I like seeing markets range go up and down, up and down, up and down with no clear movement. Because when it finally breaks somewhere, it's going to explode. Oh, that's a nice move. So we are still chilling, nothing to do. Still chilling, still chilling, still chilling, chilling, chilling. Hmm. So maybe breaking the low of this guy. Okay. But we are waiting for 30 minutes. Alright guys, what is it going to be? If this breaks below here, okay, yeah, right. I'm just putting down there because of the 15 minutes support that was created. If it breaks below around here, we should be seeing some bearish moves this morning. We'll look at if this price goes up here, break down, and then this break all this high without breaking outside, then this close below, ah, there should be some bearish moves. But we have 18 minutes to find out. We still gotta wait. Nice. So rejecting again. Rejecting. It's confused. So guys, what do you guys do to create consistency? You can put it in the comments. See, when we are talking about trading, even if they are successful in other parts, um, other aspects of life, you have your job, you're doing very well, doesn't mean you are on top of your class. Doesn't mean you can replicate that um, success in trading right away. Trading takes time, and then it's like the reverse of what we are used to. You know, it's like completely opposite of what we normally do as human. What our human brain is accustomed to, trading goes against all that. You know, for example, when you are in a losing trade, you instead you are supposed to be fearful. You are supposed to cut that loss short, but then because it's associated with money, human brain, we don't want to lose money because the fear of losing money is just like the fear of death. It's almost the same thing. In fact, fear of losing money is greater than fear of death sometimes because when you are in a losing trade, you are supposed to be fearful, right? And cut it. But then what happens in trading is now you are hopeful because you don't want to accept the risk. Now you let your trade lose loss go on running and running and running. But when you are in a winning trade, instead of for you to be greedy, not greedy, follow your plan, know where it's going, let the trade run. Now you are fearful that what if it goes back to your entry, then you cut it. You see, very, very. All right, so see how 15 minutes closed. Okay, smaller candle, a little bit bigger. Nothing is happening. Nothing. Nothing. Absolutely nothing is happening. So we just have to wait for 30 minutes. We have to wait for the 30 minutes. Nothing special, nothing. It's just consolidating. Yeah. And that is why I don't really like the 4 hour strategy, because most sometimes it gets swept and then price pushes down. Why you could have managed the risk or something, but because of the rule, it is either stop loss or break even, because you are trying to build discipline and how to accept loss, how to think in probability. That is why the 4 hour strategy is very okay to build probability thinking. So just have to wait here. We wait, we wait. Let me check my WhatsApp a little bit. Wow, that's one hell of a move. Like it's trying to push down, trying its best to go down. My brother has asleep. Wait. See, trading is a game of patience. Your number one job is to know how to wait, and then second job is to know how to wait, then to know how to wait, Then to be able to recognize your edge, to be able to recognize um, your setup, and then to be able to execute without hesitation, then to be able to manage risk, then to be able to maximize profit. And then to manage risk, don't wait when you are in loss. It's just like when you are in this is how you this is basically an example of why you should cut your losses short. Let's say you you enter a train or a bus, and then you slept off and you forgot your what's it called? You know the last bus stop is where? The bus this last bus stop is um from you are going from Yaba to Maryland. The bus is going to Ikorodu. But now you slept off at Maryland before you get to Maryland, and then you realize when you woke up you are already past Maryland. Instead of you to still sleep, still staying for you to get to K2, get to Ikorodu, why not just cut your loss, enter, get down, and then now the money you are going to spend back is immediately you realize it, you need to get down. Now it is cheaper. But now when you get to Ojota, get to Ikorodu before you start coming back, now you are paying more. Now you are wasting more time. So it's just like that. That's why you need to cut your loss short. Yeah. It's just like when you are in let's say you are in a hole, and then you are trying to get out. You are digging more hole. Why not just cut it and then find out to get out? Something like that. I don't know if it makes sense to you. All right, all right. We are not rushing. We are here, we are here, we are waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting until we see something that we recognize. That's when we are going to take a trade. If we don't see what we recognize, no trade. But when we see what we recognize, we take it. And that's how we build consistency, confidence, discipline. Show me the money. So we have 6 minutes for the next 15 minutes and 30 minutes to close. What did 1 hour do? Oh wow, bullish. It created a smaller body. Hmm. Right, breaking the low. less than 5 minutes. Last 5 minutes used to do some things that are beyond human comprehension. No, I'm just kidding. Like you just don't expect sometimes what the last 5 minutes will do. It might just go boom, or it might just psh. Yeah. How can this be the first time we're seeing this long? Like one. No, like it's not the first time. Now you know the day here between the first time. It's not the first time. It's just 7:30 or 7:30. Okay. Breaking the low. I think we might be seeing a sell opportunity. Mm-hmm. 3 minutes. Two minutes, 30 seconds. Let's fucking go. Now it's rejecting. It has to close below that area for us to do anything. Wow, it's rejecting. But we still have 1 minute, 30 seconds, so anything can still happen within that. I told you 5 minutes used to do some crazy things, yeah? The last 5 minutes, I mean. Mm-hmm. 30 seconds. I have like 15 seconds for the 30 minutes to close. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So we still did not close below But then we close below this right here, which is actually crazy, yeah. But if you look at 15 minutes, I think we should base it off of this place. Let it break. Let it break. Let's chill. Or if this breaks the low of this guy, maybe create the top week, break the low of this area, then we can look to sell. But for now, I don't trust it. I don't trust it. We wait. And after all our wait, it's going to be crazy when we get the trade and then we hit stop loss. But I don't think we are going to really get a good trade today. We are going to get a good trade, trust me. We wait, we wait. No, not you, not you. It's so crazy that when you get started and then you know that you still have to wait another 30 minutes. Still have to wait another 30 minutes. Still have to wait another 30 minutes until you finally get what you are looking for. Like, and it's, yeah, it's discipline, yeah. Because when you do that over and over and over and over and over and over again, you create discipline, confidence, consistency, and profitability. Because when you do something over and over and over again, you get used to it, you master it, you know how to maneuver it, you know when it's not going to work, you know when it's going to work. So yeah, we wait. It's giving some kind of bearish pressure, but then it's still rejecting. What is it? What's it gonna be? Just trying to reply some chat on my WhatsApp. Don't worry, guys. You'll be able to see my face, hear my voice well very soon. I'm going to do a better setup. I have a sound card. I Yeah. But for now, let's for this week, let's just manage what we get. So we are still here. Don't think if this guy breaks his own law. Nah. Let's just wait. It's okay if we miss the trade, but let's just wait. But I think that would be a good impulse entry, right? That was here. Destiny is all. So we have 22 minutes for the next 30 minutes to close. I think we should take this sell. What do you think? Breaking its own low, price pushed off. Now it's breaking its own low. Lekon, I think we should take this. Eh? What do you guys guys think? No, nothing actually. Let's just wait, or probably if it breaks the low of this high. Let's just wait. We are in an uptrend, so let's just wait. Let's chill. I think it's my drop. So I've seen this a lot of time, and then yeah, yeah. The reason why I'm being careful with the sell is because of this structure here. You know, I want to see something concrete. Impulse entry right here should be a good idea. So I think I'm going to take that impulse entry. If we lose, we lose. Less than 5 pips. Mhm. You can use the open. Stop loss is 2629.3626. Yeah. What was the first time? What was the thing we used the first time? Yeah, okay. No, you can use it. You can use it to. Now 0.1 be our first thing. You can use 0.2. See, I don't know if you get. We started from 0.05. We started from 0.1. Yes. Yes, that we show what I would use. 0.1, so you can use up to 0. But this is just true now. 250 divided by 2. Yeah? This is true. 0.02. Right? 0.2, not 0.2. 0.2. Let's see if it works. 15 minutes close. 263 Okay. 35 36. Great. We're in the cell. We're in drawdown, a little bit of drawdown. I think we should go. I'm in drawdown. I should be in profit, but I think the spread where it took me in bounces a little bit to the downside. So not like break even kind of thing, you know. But we still have like 10 minutes or 30 minutes time to close. So it has to close below, and then the 15 minutes has to close bearish. Bearish. If you close bullish, I might need to cut half of my position. It has to break below. Break below. I need that push. Bullshit, bullshit. Don't prove me wrong. You need to respect me now. It's my first day live streaming. You cannot just do this to me. All right, guys, we are in profit. A little bit of profit. Okay, I see blue. I see blue. Yeah. Let me see. Nice, nice, nice. You see my trade local trades minus. So that one I'm going to just leave the trades to run. I don't want business with 4 hours. Once I take it, I take it. I see blue. Okay, this area, it has to break this place violently. Let me show you. Where are you? Which one are you going to pick? Okay, I want to enter trade. Enter trade. Mm-hmm. Which one is this? The competition. Oh, okay. Level for attention. Show me the blue. So this is like my target, but then you see this area, it's dangerous. I'm not shooting for the other. No pips, dollar. I just have pips of I think you got a better entry than me. So let's go. Mosquito bearish. I need to break this area like violently to the downside. Where it might if you reject, it is not good. We have 6 minutes left. If this comes to break its own eye, I will cut up. You gotta push. You gotta push. Vamos. As my mentor used to say, vamos, Oito, vamos, vamos, vamos. And poor. I am a chosen. Good, who are you? You see, it's bouncing from this area, very dangerous area. But we can break down, then we pass with all this, so we should be able to come around here. Wow, see that bounce, guys. See that bounce. See that bounce, no good. About 5 minutes. And I think that was a new 5 minutes open. Still in blue. It's still rejecting, it's still bouncing from that area, still bouncing from that area. Ah, we are, it's almost 8, London open, so we should see some push after London open. That should really push price down or push it up. So there will be some volume enter the market with the London open by 8 o'clock Nigerian time. Let's see. Let's see. You see that you got a really, really better entry than me. Now push.
Yeah, no, I want to please.
You don't play.
Or you play them.
You don't play that.
I want to play them.
Yeah?
I want to play them. Mm.
You are completely in charge. Bro. 2 minutes for the next 30 minutes to open, and the next 1 hour. Wow. It's at that broken resistance, guys. Very dangerous. Very, very dangerous. If you are just new, you can maybe take some profit off, but I'm still leaving everything to run for now. I want to see what the 8 o'clock volume will bring. Maybe it's going to kill us or make us. You know. So it's really a good call to enter at the break of that low for the import entry. But this is really rejecting the area, not looking good. But I'm just going to trust the volume of the London Open to show me some really good profits. Then we can take that. But this is like the overall target. Come on.
Five, 6 seconds.
Rise and bounce if you like. Let me see what my mentor is doing. Oh shit.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, That's a good push. You can take some half profit. Wait, yeah, I think you should take half. Or that should take. Let's take some half profit. Oh,
It's really good to talk, man.
that was a good trade, guys. Alright, I need that push. I need that last push. Oh shit.
It's good to go.
It doesn't. It's not always good to break at the first minute. Guys, let it show us a little bit, and then I'll be out. Because for real, true, it closed without wick. And then when price close without wick, what do? We close half of our position or full. So,
Thank you for your
but I feel you can still get some push down a little bit. Push down. We breaks his own high now. I'm closing everything. Break your own low. And if you see you break that low, break that low. That's it. Go on. Yeah.
hands up.
Go on. Last push. Push it. Alright, I close half. You know what, guys? I'm closing full. Wait, I'm closing full now. I'm done. You can just leave like something to run, but that was a good one, guys. I don't like all these things, yeah? Oh, yeah. Right there. Right there, right there, right there. More than 1 to 1. More than 1 to 1. So, yeah, it might continue. This is like the target. Well, I don't like all these Jaguajantis. Yeah. So I'm going to end up now, guys. Thank you all for joining. Peace out. I love you all. Yeah, see you tomorrow. Let's do this. Thank you. Esto se acabó. All right. Nice stream. Thank you.